We're starting a new unit this week, and it is called Evolutionary History. And basically, this is the study of fossils and using fossils to help us understand how life on Earth has changed over time. This is a very cool topic, really super interesting. And here's just an example of one well studied uh, organism and how it has changed over time. So, today's modern killer whale is actually related to something that kind of looked like a wolf 48 million years ago. The ancestor of the killer whale looked like this, and we know this from the fossil record. We've seen that through time, the bones of this organism have changed to make it more suited to living in water until eventually we get to today's modern killer whale that doesn't have any back legs anymore and it has flippers instead of arms. But the way that we're able to study this and to know this is because we can see through different layers in the fossil record how the organism has changed. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do in this unit is watch a video, and it's a My Amplify video. So I'm going to play it for you now. It's a 5-minute video.
जाहिर तेरे को कुछ मिल रहा वहाँ पे
यहाँ ये यूज कीजिए मुझे लगता है यही जगह पर कुछ होगा हाँ यहाँ पर कुछ लगता है कुछ कौन फोन कर रहा है Sadiq speaking.
Audrey Mosley, Natural History Museum Director. You're a hard person to reach.
Apologies, I've been in my dig site in Pakistan and we've been busy excavating.
Are you still arriving next week?
Yes, I'll be there and I've already shipped the selection of fossils we discussed.
Great. How about the shipment?
Hold on 1 second. That looks interesting.
Did you find a new fossil? Hello?
Sorry, I have got to go.
But Dr. Sadiq.
यहाँ पर
Dr.
देखिए
Sadiq.
यहाँ पर
Welcome to the Natural History Museum. One adult? Oh, you're a researcher.
I am the visiting paleontologist, Dr. Nella Siddiq.
Dr. Sadiq. 6-month residency? Already in the staff list. Great.
Some crates should have also arrived from Pakistan with ancient mammals, crocodilian, and dinosaur fossils.
Yes, it looks like they just arrived. And they are in preparation lab. That's one level down.
Oh, great. I'll head over and get started.
All right, see you around.
See you.
Dr. Sadiq, it's an honor to finally meet you.
The honor is mine.
This is Jim Barker. She does all of our publicity here and gets word out about all of our new exhibits.
Yes, thanks so much for lending us all these specimens for the new show. It's going to be huge.
You're welcome.
I'm dying to ask. Last week when we were on the phone, did I overhear you making a new discovery?
Yes, you did. And I have it right here. We found an intriguing new fossil skull.
A recent find. Fabulous. Let's put it in the new exhibit.
But we don't even know what it is. We can display it till it's fully identified and studied.
Maybe we can make an exception just this once.
I'm afraid we can't. We have to identify it. Without that, we wouldn't know where to put it in the museum.
But think about the excitement that this could generate. I mean, this is a completely new fossil.
Technically, it's millions of years old, but I see your point.
Excited visitors is a good thing. Will you be studying the skull here?
Yes, and if I can work fast enough, maybe I can identify it in time.
Okay, we'll see how it goes then. We can have some students help you if needed.
Definitely, with their help, it'll go much faster.
All right, we'll leave you to it then.
Let me know when you find out more about that mystery fossil.
I will do that.
Okay, so that sets us up for our unit. We're basically going to be the paleontology students helping out Dr. Sadiq. And like in past units, the fossil that we're looking at is real. It was a real fossil found in Pakistan. But Dr. Sadiq is just an actress. So she's representing the actual scientist who found this fossil. So like I said, we're going to be looking at this fossil and acting as paleontologists. And a paleontologist is a scientist who studies fossils in order to understand the ancient history of life on Earth. Here's a drawing of the fossil that Dr. Siddiq found on her dig. And our job is going to be to learn more about this fossil and help her classify it so that the museum knows what exhibit it should go in. So here is an email or a message from Dr. Andre Mosley, and he is telling us that he wants us to figure out what the mystery fossil is related to. In other words, what group does it make the most sense for us to put this fossil with? To make this decision, you will need to do the work of making careful observations and spending time comparing the bones of the mystery fossil to bones and body structures of other organisms. So there are basically three main candidates of where this fossil might go. It could be closest related to whales, wolves, or crocodiles. And as we study, we're going to be looking at which of those three organisms it's most similar to. So here are our three claims. We're going to be figuring out which of these is the best claim. The mystery fossil belongs with the whales in the Cetacea exhibit, or with wolves in the Carnivora exhibit, or with crocodiles in the Reptilia exhibit. Okay, so how does a paleontologist make observations? In order to figure out which of the exhibits our fossil should go with, you're going to study this fossil and compare it to others. And here's what you want to really look at. Pay careful attention to body structures, especially how bones are grouped together. You want to observe size and thickness of bones. You want to look at the position of the body structures, and you want to observe the same fossil evidence several times to see what you've missed. This is something that paleontologists would do as they're trying to classify a fossil. We're also going to count the number of bones. How many bones there are in each body part is going to be a big, important clue. And then we're going to use observations of fossil evidence and carefully compare that to living species to figure out what our fossil is most closely related to. So that sets you up for the rest of chapter 1. Good luck. This should be interesting. We'll see what we can find out about this fossil.